Let's play with le this time. Remember from previous season that I've told you this le sounds a little different from le in English. That's le, listen. But this one is le. It's softer. It comes from the mouth, not here. Okay, le, soft. So come here. This le had two shapes, capital and small. The small one attached from both sides depending on the other consonants or vowels that comes near it. This one sometimes attached from only this side. So come here. We have our vowels again. A, which the one that has the hat always comes at the beginning of a word and never attached to anything. So this one comes here, and then we have le. I write it first, I read it first. A, le. A, le. Together. All. All. This one comes always in the middle or at the end of a word. Sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So here, as this le would be the lowercase le, comes here, and this one attaches to that because always must something attach to the other side, the front of the lowercase or small le. So first this, then this. Le, a, le, a, together. La, la. Here, I have this one first. A comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. After that, I have le, the capital one. Doesn't attach, so a, le. A, le. Together. Al, al. Here, I have my a. This one jumps right up there and makes this one sound like itself. So, first this, then this. Le, a, together. La. This one makes this one sound like itself. Come here. I have this one here. This one comes always at the beginning and never attached to anything. And after that, I have my capital le. So first this, then this. E, le. E, le. Together. El. El. This one comes right down there, makes this one sound like itself. So first this, then this. Le, le, together. Le, le. Come here for O. This one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So right after this I have le. O, le. Together. Ol. Ol. So when this one comes up here, make this sound like this one. So le, o, together. Lo, lo. Here I have oo. So this one we know comes always at the beginning, never attached. Then I have le. Oo, le. Oo, le. Together. Ool. Ool. What about this one? This one comes here and attaches to lowercase le. Because we know that lowercase le, something should attach to it. And this one likes to be attached from behind. So they attach to each other. I read le first because I write it first, and then oo. Le, oo, le, oo. Together. Lu, lu. And this tricky E. This one comes always at the beginning, always attached from this side. This one comes always in the middle, attached always from this side, sometimes from this side. Here, this one always comes at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So first, E, E, and then I have le which attached to this, so il, il. That one, first le, then E, attached to each other because they both want to. So le, E, together, li. As easy as that. Well, so far you understood that as long as you follow the pattern, everything is easy. This is one of the easy things in the Persian language because it has pattern. It doesn't have that much of a unusual forms or things that are not in the algorithm. So everything is as easy as this. So for practice, 1 page for each one of them. And as long as you write it down, you read it with it because we want to remember it and completely practice it everywhere. Here, here, and here. When you did it, comment for me. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys next session. Bye.